What's going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the channel. So back in December of 22, I picked up a brand new Mustang. Unfortunately, there was a warranty issue with the built-in screen, so Ford was awesome. They replaced the unit, and yeah, it's been working great. But one day I didn't have my iPhone connected to CarPlay, so I actually used the built-in navigation system. Well, some funny things were happening with the nav system. Essentially, right off the bat, I realized I was going backwards on the nav. So that was kind of the first raise my eyebrow moment. And a few other things. So I call this segment of Where Are We Going Today? We're going to go over the 5 top places that were quite unusual. So let's check them out. Number 1. First one is we're driving on the road, and then we decide to actually just cut across the parking lot because, you know, time is money, and gas is not cheap these days. So let's just do a couple shortcuts, and essentially this is where the first one took us. And again, noting we're driving backwards. Number 2. So the other one is we're clearly on the highway or major highway, and we decide to roll over, but we're still going, so it's all good, and while leaving some breadcrumbs in the mix. Number 3. So here we go on with the roundabout. We're just driving along parallel with it. And clearly we're going off-roading with the new Mustang. And then why not? Let's just keep that same pattern and we'll just keep driving off-road. Not a big deal. Number 4. Here we're kind of again just cruising, and we've gone over some public parks and everything. Right now we're actually entering people's backyards and just to get onto the main street. My personal favorite, number 5. Oh no, we're hitting a river. We're going under the river. We're a submarine now, but actually it's all good. We're all safe with it. So not to worry with that. So this is where we're going, and I was thinking about it as I was going for a drive. I got an idea. I stopped on my brakes, and I said, let's throw in reverse. But unfortunately, when I put it in reverse, the backward camera came on and didn't let me see. I was hoping the arrow would actually go forward and reverse course. So again, we tried again. I turned off all the different individual sensors, the backup camera as much as I could. Went reverse, but it didn't work. So that's kind of it. There you go, YouTube. Let me know in the comments below of what moment you liked. Was it 1? Maybe number 3? Maybe 5? My personal favorite, to be honest. But let me know. I'm curious to see what you guys think. And let me know in the comments if you guys have actually entered or seen anything with your navigation system in the past for this. I'm going to be calling Ford this week and get an appointment booked in. I'm very confident that they'll resolve it. Maybe it's a calibration software. I'm not sure, but I'll leave it to them as the experts. And from there, I'll find out. I'll ask them what they ended up doing, and we can do a follow-up video. And for anyone that's having the same troubles as I am, and we'll get it fixed. So anyways, till next time, guys, we'll see ya.